this video, we'll take a quick look at how to choose the right AI model for your task inside Base44. Inside the AI chat window, you can choose which AI model powers your request by opening the AI model selector. Base44 allows you to either automatically choose the best model or manually select a specific one. Gemini 3.1 Pro is a strong general-purpose model. It works well for reasoning tasks, structured outputs, and longer conversations. Sonnet 4.6 is optimized for fast, high-quality responses in everyday development tasks. It's a great option when you need reliable coding help, quick explanations, or general problem solving without the heavier reasoning models. Opus 4.6 is designed for deep reasoning and complex analysis. It's a great choice when working with large codebases, debugging difficult issues, or solving advanced problems. GPT 5.4 is optimized for high-quality responses and advanced coding tasks. Use this model when you need precise outputs, strong technical reasoning, or detailed explanations. The automatic option lets Base44 intelligently select the best AI model for your request. This is the recommended setting for most users as it balances speed, quality, and cost automatically. Choosing the right model can help you get faster, more accurate results depending on your task.